Good morning all of you. So multiplication of two-digit numbers we already learned. Today we can discuss multiplication stories. It means word problems. Okay, related with multiplication, how we can do word problems. Just like addition and subtraction, we already learned word problems. First question, if one book cost 85 rupees, how much do 25 such book cost? Okay, books. 25 such books cost. So, what is the question? Read the question at least 2 times. If one book cost 85 rupees, how much do 25 such books cost? Okay, so first step we can write what is the given information here. Cost of one book is given. What is the cost of one book? That is given. If one book cost 85 rupees. So first we can write the solution. Cost of one book equal 85 rupees. Okay. Then how much do 25 such books? Then we want to find out the cost of how many books? 25 books. So next solution we can write number of books. How many total books here? 25. So number of books equal 25. So what we want to find out? The cost of that 25 books we want to find out. So next step we can write. So cost of 25 books equal. How we will find out? If you know, if the cost of one sweet is 2 rupees, what will be the cost of 10 sweets? How we will find it? 10 multiply with 2. Okay, so just like here the cost of one book is 85 rupees. So cost of 25 books will be 25 into 85. Okay, 25 into 85. So that multiplication we can do here. 25 multiply with 85. When do the multiplication, all of you want to care the places. Okay, this is the ones place, this is tens place, hundreds place. So when we write its answers, that times also we want to keep the places in order. Okay, so first multiplication, 5 multiply with 5, 5 into 5, that we know 25. For that 5 we write here. Just below that, this should be in one line, that want to care. Now 25, 5 we write here, 2 we can write as the balance. Okay, carry over to the next place. Next multiplication, this 2 multiply with 5, 2 into 5, that we know 10. Then 10 plus this 2, 12. For that 2, 12, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. Keep that order, places order. Next multiplication, 25 multiply with 8 tens. Okay, so if it is 8 tens, first one's place will be 0. Then 8 multiply with 5 or 5 multiply with 8. 5 into 8 we know. 5 into 8 is 40. For that 40, 0 we write in tens place. 4 we can write as the balance on the top. 4. Okay. Next multiplication, 2 into 8. 2 into 8. 16. 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4. It will be 20. So 2 is in thousand place will be. So then after that we are adding that two numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. And 2. So what is the cost of that 25 books? 2125. Clear? So when you got a word problem like this, first read the question at least 2 times. Then first write the what information given in the question. That we write as the first solution. Here it is, what is the information given? Cost of one book, that is given 85 rupees. So cost of one book equal 85 rupees. That we can write as the first solution. Next, how much do 25 such books? Now, next we know how many books are here. 25 books. So, next we can write number of books. 25. Here we want to find out the cost of that 25 books. So, last solution we can write. So cost of 25 books equal 25 into 85. Then multiply that numbers. Then we will get the answer 2125. So after that, here we can write the answer as what is the total cost. Then using the rupees symbol, 2125 rupees. Okay, 2125 rupees. Just like second question. All of you take your textbook. Read the next question in the textbook. That is exercise 5.7. First question. There are 25 plants in a row. There are 25 plants in a row. How many plants will be there in 15 rows? How many plants will be there in 15 rows? I am not writing the question. All of you read the question looking the textbook. Again read the question. There are 25 plants in a row. That is the first information. So how we can write that? What is the solution? We can write number of plants, yeah, in one row. We can write number of plants in one row. How many plants are there in one row? There are 25 plants in a row. So we can write this is 25. Next, again read the question. How many plants will be there in 15 rows? That is the question. So how many rows are here? Number of rows is 15. Next solution we can write number of rows. Rows means vari. Okay, vari. Number of rows. How many rows are here? 15 rows. Then what we want to find out? Here in one row, how many plants are there? 25 plants are there. And also how many that type of rows are there? 15 rows are there. Then we want to find out what will be the total number of plants in this 15 rows. Total number of plants we want to find out. So how we can write the next solution? So total number of plants equal. So total number of plants. Total number of plants equal 25 into 15. Okay, 25 into 15. Do that multiplication. 25 multiply with 15. Write this ones place, tens place, hundreds place. When you write the answers, keep the order for that correct places. First multiplication, 5 multiply with 5. 25 we are multiplying with 5 first. Then 25 multiplying with 5. For that first we multiply the ones place. 5 with this 5. 5 into 5, 25. For that 25, 5 we write in ones place. 2 write as the balance. Next multiplication, 2 multiply with 5. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. For that 2 here, 1 is in hundreds place. Next multiplication, 25 multiply with, we are multiplying with 1 10. Okay, tens. 25 multiplying with 10. So 1's place digit will be 0. Next multiply 5 into 1. 5 into 1 we know 5 and 2 into 1, 2. Okay. After that we are adding these two numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. So how many plants are there? 375 plants. Total plants are there in 15 rows. Clear? So when you got a word problems, you want to know how to write the solution. Look, reading the question it is possible. Read the question 2 or 3 times. Then understand its meaning first. Then we can write each steps and solution. So that all of you clear. One more question we can do. Question number B. All of you take the question number B. Exercise 5.7. Question number B. What is the question? In a 35 apples are placed in a basket. 35 apples are placed in a basket. How many apples can be placed in 42 such basket? Okay, 35 apples are placed. in a basket. I will give the solution and you want to find out its answer. Okay, you want to write down this into your notebook and write its correct answer. 35 apples are placed in a basket. So how we can write the first solution? Number of apples in one basket. Number of apples. We can write the first solution. Number of apples in one basket. Number of apples in one basket equal that you want to find out, you want to write the correct number. You will 35 apples are placed in a basket. Then which number will be right that you can write. Then what we want to find out, how many apples can be placed in 42 such baskets. So next we can write number of baskets. How many baskets are mentioned here? Number of baskets. That answer also you can write looking the question. Then what we want to find out? We want to find out the number of apples in this total basket. So what we can write the next solution? So total number of plants. So total number of plants. Then you want to write which numbers are there, which numbers you want to multiply and find out its answer as the multiplication and write this answer and underline, double underline the answer. Okay, all of you understood? You can use this correct solution for writing, and numbers you want to write, look in the textbook. Okay, thank you.